friends, I'm Sakshi welcoming you all to my channel. So guys, today we will be talking about that how to stay positive in your negative times. As we all know, this pandemic is going on. Lots of negative people, negative environment, negative thoughts. It's roaming in all our mind. It's roaming around. We have left our jobs. There is no positivity. There is no income. There is no scope to move on, to move forward. Many of us have lost our jobs. Many of us have discontinued our various works. We have discontinued our business. With all of these negative thoughts we are surrounded by. Today our topic is on the same, that how we can be positive, because guys, we have to be positive. It cannot be an end. It is a difficult situation. It is a pandemic situation. But yes, we need to move on. We need to fight this with our positive thoughts. So come, let's start our session with the same, like how we can be positive, how we can keep our mind relaxed, positive, stress free. So guys, firstly you can try this out, that we can be optimistic, we can be positive in our negative times. Let's say something has happened to us, some negative comment have come, some negativity our friend or our family have told us. Make yourself in this kind of a nature that you can find out something positive in it. You can find out that why this has happened. Guys, secondly, we need to take care that our thinking depends upon how our environment is, how our ambience is. One negative people, one bad people, he can spoil all your enjoyment, he can spoil all your life. Let's take an example, like a group of friends, we have gone somewhere for the coffee, and one of our friend is like, you're in a very bad mood, he doesn't want to enjoy, he doesn't want to make any discussion. So that one person can spoil the mood of all of us. He can create so much of negative energy is there. He can create so much of negative environment there, so that the whole mood get destroys over it. So we need to overcome that. We need to stay away from that people. We need to understand that how things will happen if we see itself in a positive manner. Like in your homes, like in your offices, keep yourself clutter free. Keep your ambience so cool, so energetic, that you feel like, oh wow, yeah, I'm when you get up in the morning, when you get up early in the morning, you feel yourself in your homes. Make your homes that way. Make people surrounded by you that way, that when you talk to them, you feel nice. When you talk to them, you feel relaxed. You feel positive. Sometimes we have in our friends or in our relations, there are many people who always demotivate us, who have that negative energies, who have that a gossip thing in themselves. Stay away from that people. Stay away from these kinds of people who they gossip a lot around the back of another people. So we need to stay away from that. They create a lot of negative energies because they're talking behind your back. So you can imagine that how they can work in your field, in your arena, how they can work. They will always gossip. If you do good for them, if you do bad for them, they only have the word to gossip. So we have to stay away from these people who gossip a lot, who create negative energies a lot. We need to make friends who always motivate us, who create self-confidence in us, who encourages us, whether it's a family, whether it's a friends. They encourage you in every field, in every arena of your life, in your career, in your growth, in your attitude, anything. Thirdly, guys, the people who criticizes you more are your best friends. Take their criticism in a positive manner. Don't take their criticism in a negative manner, because if you're having any fault, all of us have fault. It doesn't make any difference. We all have, me, you, many of our friends, many of our relatives, they all have something bad thing in them. So yes, we have to accept our criticism, that what are we, what negative things we have, and we should make a proper approach, that how can we overcome that, how can we convert that negative thing, negative criticism into a positive thing. So guys, my suggestion to you is stay away from these kind of people who have everything negative in their minds. They have negative minds, they have negative thoughts, they have negative feelings towards you. Just stay away from them. Have a peace of mind, be relaxed, be stress free. Fourthly, do not create a mountain out of a molehills, out of a small things which is happening. Let's take an example. If we have something, a very small argument have been occurred with me or with my friend, so we tend to make it a very huge thing. We create a mountain over that. We elaborate things and we stress things so much that we lose our state of mind. We lose the positiveness in ourselves, and the thing starts getting disturbing us. So let's take an example. Like if I and my friend had a little fight over something, a little argument over something. So do not stress it. Try to solve it as soon as it is possible. Try not to, if we don't keep like a husband or wife relationship, or in any relationship, if you are like having an argument with yourself, stretch it too long that it harms your relationship. Because arguments not only create a negative thoughts, not only create a negative mind, but as well it gives you a lot of tensions, it gives you a lot of stress. So to have positivity in your life, to have positivity in your environment, to have positivity in your mind, body and soul, you have to change your nature little bit. You have to work on yourself. Try and understand your things. Try and understand things disturb you, that distract you. This kind of a study, if you make it with yourselves, of course, very soon and very easily, you can have a good state of mind. Try and cultivate the things in yourself that don't disturb you, that don't give you any kind of stress. Work on it. Know yourself. Then only you can stay positive at all times. Try to take out the positive from the negative things. We all know that all things happens for a reason. All things which has to happen will happen. So let's accept that fact. If anything, a positive thing or a negative thing is happening in our lives, it is happening for a reason. It is happening for some cause. So try to make out the positive out of that negative thing. If you can cultivate this nature in yourselves, trust me guys, you can have a win-win situation over this. You can stay positive at very times, and by only staying positive, by cultivating this in your nature, you can win in any war, in any situation, in anything. So guys, my takeaway from this session was be positive, have a positive environment, create yourself, create your nature in that way that you are really positive. And guys, stay away from the negative people, stay away from the negative energies, and try to make yourself majorly positive in all the situations. So I'm Sakshi signing off for now. We'll meet you in my next session very, very soon. Thank you friends.